Hello, hello, hello! Good day to all my P.3 students. Once again, welcome to my class, and you're still with Teacher JV. Before anything else, I would like to ask you, how are you today? How are you? I hope that you all fine, and I hope that you're feeling better, or I hope that you're doing good at this point of time. And please take care always, okay? So now we are going to proceed with our next topic. So let me share to you my screen. Now, welcome to the class with Teacher JB. Let's review first our topic, which was about what does he have? What does she have? So in here, we are asking someone or asking if a girl or a person or a friend has something. Now, what does he or she have? He or she has some. All right, like for example of this one. So we are asking the girl here, what does she have? May it be she has a dog, she has a paintbrush, or we specifically focus on using some. So we can say, and we said that she has some paint. All right, now everybody, what does she have? Perfect. She has some paint. Let's proceed with this next picture. What does she have? Perfect. She has some books. As you can observe, we put S because a book is countable. Since we're talking with 3 books, then we can use either some, or we can also say she has 3 books or she has some books. Remember that when we are using some, we put S to the countable one and we don't put S to the uncountable noun. Now, let's proceed with our new topic, where we are going to begin with our vocabulary. Ready? Perfect. Now, let's have this one. Just take a look at this one. What do you think is this picture? Do you know this picture? They are what? Perfect. They are the colored pencils. As you can see, there are many, and I almost don't want to count them. So in a sentence, we can say some colored pencils. They are countable now. That's why we put S here. Since that they are many, then we are going to put an S. Okay? Perfect. Again, what do we call these things? Colored pencils. Again? Perfect. Now, let's have another picture. What are these? What do you call these 2 things we have? I can see blue and pink, but what is the name of these things? All right, perfect. They are what we called calculators. Everybody say calculators. Again. Perfect. Calculators. We use calculators when we want to solve something, like we can divide here, we can multiply, we can add, and we can subtract. All right, perfect. Now let's proceed with another one. How about this one? They are perfect. They're scissors. Everybody say it. Perfect. Again. All right. We use scissors when we want to, okay, snip something or cut something. Cut the paper, snip the paper, or whatever you want to snip. Okay, now let's proceed with these things. What are these? Perfect. They are what we called magnets. Everybody say it. Very good. Magnets. Now, here we go. Take a look at this one. What are these? They're what we called what? All right, perfect. They're rubber bands. Everybody say it. Again. Very good. So those are rubber bands, and we can see that there are different colors of the rubber bands. We can see here green, blue, dirty white, brown, and many more. Now let's proceed with these things. What are those? They're what we called perfect push pins. Everybody say it. Say it again, please. All right, push pins. Perfect. Now we can have this. What are those? They're staplers. All right, staplers. Everybody say it. Staplers. Again. Staplers. Again. Perfect. Staplers. Now let's proceed with these things. What are those? All right, perfect. They are what we called paint brushes. Say it again, please. Perfect. Again, please. All right, paint brushes. So we use paint brushes for our painting. We use paint brushes. Okay, as you can see, we have this smaller edge and this one, and teacher JV doesn't paint, so I don't know much about painting. However, paint brushes is the main equipment for painting. Okay, so when they have paint, there will be also paint brushes. They go together. All right, so let's proceed with our language focus. So welcome to the real or the main topic of this video. So this will be the focus that we are going to use in a sentence. So we have this question. Does he have any? Where in the blank, we are going to put something on it. And if we can prove that someone is having that certain thing, we can say yes, he does. No, he doesn't. We are just gonna focus on he. So he means, firstly, we are going to encounter all his. Later on, we're gonna use she. But as at this point of time, we are going to use he. All right, so here we go. Does he have any? So we can use, does he have any paint brushes? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Like for example, this boy. All right. This boy has these things. Has these things. Now, the question will be, does he? Since he is he, then the question must be, does he have any pencils? Does he have any pencils? What would be the answer? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Well, anyways, we use does here because the first word in asking the question is does. While before we use do you have? Then you say yes, I do. No, I don't. On the other hand, in does he have any pencils? We are going to say yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. So what will be the answer? Perfect. No, he doesn't. Everybody, does he have any pencils? Perfect. No, he doesn't. Because why? Because he has some paint brushes. Very good. So he doesn't have any pencils because he has some paint brushes. Let's have another one. All right, let's have this picture. Number 2. Does he have any colored pencils? Does he have any colored pencils? What do you think? Yes or no? Yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't. Perfect. Yes, he does. Everybody, does he have any colored pencils? What's the answer? Very good. Yes, he does. Let's proceed with the next one. I can see a boy here. And then lots of something here on the table. And the question will be, does he have any rubber bands? Does he have any rubber bands? Yes or no? What do you think? Is it a yes, he does, or a no, he doesn't? Rubber bands. Perfect. Yes, he does. As you can see here, he has lots of rubber bands. So he has some rubber bands. How about this thing? Another example. All right. First question. This boy, not this one, okay? This boy, does he have any paper? Yes or no? Does he have any paper? Yes or no? Very good. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. All right, question number 2. Does he have any glue? Does he have any glue? Yes or no? Perfect. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. He has some glue and some, what are these? Scissors. Very good. How many scissors do you see? 2 scissors. So he has some scissors and glue. All right. So let's have another one. Our language focus will be she. So earlier we used he because we focused on using the sentence when we are asking for a boy one, okay, or man. Now at this time we are going to use she. Now, does she have any? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. So same thing with yes, he does. No, he doesn't. The only difference is that we are talking about the girl and earlier we're talking about the boy. Now, as you can see here, there is a girl and she's standing and there is a table here. We can see later. The question will be, does she have any push pins? Does she have any push pins? Yes or no? Yes, she does. Very good. Now, how many push pins do you see? Let's count them together. 1. All right, 5 push pins. Now, everybody, does she have any push pins? What is the answer? Very good. Let's proceed with another one. This is the young lady. Now, the question will be, does she have any pens? Does she have any pens? What will be the answer? What do you see here? Are these pens? Very good. No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't, because she has some calculators. Again, calculators. All right. Now let's have this example. The question will be, does she have any pencils? Yes or no? Perfect. No, she doesn't. Why? Why no, she doesn't? What does she have? Perfect, because she has some paint. Very good. All right, everybody. Does she have any pencils? Perfect. All right, so let's have this another picture. The question will be, does she have any paper? Does she have any paper? This girl, does she have any paper? Yes or no? Perfect. Yes, she does. Again, does she have any paper? Very good. And how many papers do you see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Yay! So she has some paper. All right. The question number 2. Does she have any glue? Does she have any glue? Does she have any glue? Yes or no? Perfect. No, she doesn't. Why? What else does she have? Perfect. She has some scissors other than paper. The slide of Teacher JV has already ended. Now, let me share to you the short clip from your Let's Go book. This will help you further understand whatever Teacher JV had told you or taught to you from the slide that I made. Okay? So I want you guys to just listen and stay there so later on you can answer your workbook. Okay? Perfect. So let's have this video.
Page 7. C. Make sentences. Number 1.
She has some tape.
Number 2.
She has some paper.
Number 3.
He doesn't have any paint.
Number 4.
He doesn't have any scissors.
Number 5.
He doesn't have any glue.
Page 7. Drum track.
She has some tape. He doesn't have any glue. She has some tape. She has some paper. He doesn't have any paint. He doesn't have any scissors. He doesn't have any glue.
Page 7. D. Listen, point, and sing. Sue doesn't have any glue.
Sue doesn't have any glue. Sue doesn't have any glue. Sue has some paper. Sue has some string. Sue has a bird and it's learning to sing. Sue has some ribbon. Sue has some chalk. Sue has a dog and it's learning to talk. But Sue isn't happy, no, she's feeling blue. Sue doesn't have any glue, boo-hoo. Sue doesn't have any glue.
Page 8. Let's learn more. A. Learn the words. Number 1.
Magnets,
Number 2.
scissors,
Number 3.
calculators,
Number 4.
colored pencils,
Number 5.
rubber bands,
Number 6.
push pins,
Number 7.
paintbrushes,
Number 8.
staplers.
Page 8. B. Ask and answer.
Does she have any magnets?
Yes, she does.
Number 1.
Does she have any magnets?
Yes, she does.
Number 2.
Does he have any colored pencils?
No, he doesn't.
Number 3.
Does she have any staplers?
Yes, she does.
Number 4.
Does he have any scissors?
Yes, he does.
Number 5.
Does she have any rubber bands?
No, she doesn't.
Number 6.
Does he have any paintbrushes?
Yes, he does.
Page 8. Drum track.
Does she have any magnets?
Yes, she does. No, she doesn't.
Does she have any magnets? Yes, she does. Does he have any colored pencils? No, he doesn't. Does she have any staplers? Yes, she does. Does he have any scissors? Yes, he does. Does she have any rubber bands? No, she doesn't. Does he have any paintbrushes? Yes, he does.
So I hope that you've learned something from this video, and always remember to take good care of yourselves, and if possible, do not go anywhere. So this will be the end of our clip for today. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye. See you again. Bye-bye.